So we're going to need to place some chests down to collect all of the items. We're going to need to place 2 hoppers, one going into the chest, one going into the other hopper. We need 2 hoppers so that the delay before the potions go into this hopper, where the comparator is read from, is long enough to allow the brewing stand to completely empty of the potions in it. Then we need to place a block coming out of this comparator, put a button on top of it, which is the button to start the whole system, and then we have a torch on the side of this block on here, torch on here, block here, and coming around so that we can transfer power vertically. A repeater coming out of here, and some blocks from redstone dust placed such that we can power 4 blocks at once, like so. Then we just need to be able to place 4 droppers facing into 4 hoppers. Then the bottom hopper needs to be set up so that it locks the hopper beneath the brewing stand. Just choose a random item and fill it up like that, and then put 19 in this slot here. Then we have comparator. Oh, block. Redstone dust. Redstone dust. Repeater, so that as soon as anything goes into this slot, this hopper underneath the brewing stand gets locked, so that the potions can actually brew. And then we have a torch here, just there, block here, just here to lock the hopper, which allows the water bottles to come through. Now this does need to be locked so that all of the potions can exit the brewing stand before any of the water bottles start entering it. Then we need to start thinking about ingredients. So let's get some nether wart and some glowstone to make any potion stronger. Then some blaze powder so we can make a strength potion, and some gunpowder to make it a strength 2 potion. We're also going to need to place some blaze powder in the brewing stand and 1 nether wart in the brewing stand. So, the bottom we have our first ingredient, which is blaze powder. Then we have our next ingredient, glowstone. Third ingredient, gunpowder. And at the top, we have nether wart. Now, the reason we have nether wart in the top instead of at the bottom, because you might think, why did the ingredients go 2, 3, 4, 1? It's so that the next potion can start brewing straight away, and so that the whole system with the detection, etc., can work. It's also important to have 1 bonus nether wart constantly in this hopper while 1 potion is brewing, just so that this hopper underneath is locked. So that's why this is at the top, so that it can stay in here. Lock this hopper down here while it brews. And now all we have to do is press this button, and it will fill with water bottles. And that's it. This is adapted from Impulse's design in Java, except that uses a flip-flop with a sticky piston dropping its block, but I've changed it so you don't need a flip-flop. It's just straight up redstone power from the comparator being sent up vertically.